Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So last week I did a collaboration with Originaturals, my friend Carissa, and I made a DIY menu board. And when I showed you guys the board, I mentioned that the weekly tabs that I had found at Dollar Tree were just too small and they were getting lost on the board, because what I did was I recovered a cork board using Dollar Tree shelf liner and washi tape, and then I just put my little pegs on for Monday through Sunday, and then we used the book labels as what we were going to have for meals. So what I mentioned is that I just thought the days of the week were a little small and I would have liked to have something a little bit larger. So I did some research and I found exactly what I was looking for. So I went out on the internet, did a Google search for days of the week templates, and I found a few things that I thought I might like, but then I remembered that I had seen Cass from Clutterbug do a makeover. I think it was of her craft room, and she showed these little labels that she made that she stuck on all the areas of her craft room, and I thought, oh, these would be so lovely. So I went to her website and her free printables, and I printed out the menu planning printable. I believe it's a free download. I'll leave a link to it. And I printed these out. So these were really nice, and I thought, okay, I can just write on these the days of the week. Well, I'm not the best person with the best handwriting. It'll do, but I really like clean and crisp lines and everything to be uniform. So I was thinking further, what else could I find that might work? So then I found these. This is from leahgriffith.com, and where I found these are called worldlabel.com by Leah Griffith. These are farmhouse pantry labels, and I like the style of these labels, and the color black and white, of course, is my scheme. Now these were not on here. The words that you see were not on here. So I thought, what can this and this make together? And this is what I came up with. I have the labels from Clutterbug, then the farmhouse tags from Leah Griffith, and I put them together, and I think they make a nice presentation. There was only one problem. I don't want my paper to tear, and I want these to be long lasting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to laminate my days of the week and then cut them out and place them on my board. Also, I wanted to put or create some additional food of the week ideas. So I just went onto Leah's site, and these were pantry labels that I got from her, but you could edit them. So I edited them to say dinner ideas. This is going to be an Alfredo sauce, or dinner ideas, leftovers, or beans and rice. So I edited these to say what I wanted them to say. So I'm also going to laminate these as well, and the kids and I are going to cut these out, and we're going to stick these on our menu board, and we'll let you see what it looks like when we are done. Okay, everybody, here's what I came up with, and I like this so much better, but something happened to my surprise, and I like that as well. So I was using these labels. These are book labels you get from the Dollar Tree. They have an adhesive back and little white cards that you can slide out and write on. And so they were on the board, but I wasn't sure that that would be the meal plan I would have for the week, so I took them off of the shelf liner, and they stick to the back of my pantry door. Somebody asked me, where is this? This is in my kitchen on my pantry door, and so this is where I have the menu plan. So you can see now we laminated out, and it just says what's for dinner Monday all the way through Sunday. And so this is going to be our menu plan, and then I have our little menu cards that I created, and we cut those out as well, or we have the cards here that we can use. And I probably will eventually end up changing these as well. So I'm going to put my menu up for the week, and the kids and I will have our game plan. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this revamp of our menu board, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your revamp of the menu board. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our kitchen. And until next time we DIY, bye.